ग्लोबल समिट 2025 का सफल आयोजन 7 से 8 नवंबर 2025 को नेताजी सुभाष यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी NSUT दिल्ली में हुआ। 2 दिवसीय इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कार्यक्रम का विषय था सर्कुलर फीचर्स इनोवेशन फॉर पीपल प्लैनेट एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी, जिसमें दुनिया भर के शोधकर्ताओं, नव प्रवर्तकों और नीति निर्माताओं के सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स SDG पर चर्चा की। समिट में ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजी, इनोवेशन और AI, ब्लू इकोनॉमी, क्लाइमेट, वाटर, सस्टेनेबल फैशन और एजुकेशन जैसे विषयों पर सत्र हुए। प्रमुख आकर्षण रहे इनोवेट फॉर अर्थ 2.0 आइडनेस, वर्क फॉर खादी 3.0 और सस्टेनेबिलिटी एक्सेलेंस अवार्ड्स। इसमें 100 से अधिक प्रतिनिधि, 30 वक्ता और 500 से ज्यादा ऑनलाइन प्रतिभागी जुड़े। उद्घाटन सत्र में NSUT के कुलपति प्रोफेसर आनंद श्रीवास्तव, डॉक्टर SD अत्री और डॉक्टर नेहा सिंह सहित कई विशिष्ट अतिथि उपस्थित रहे। दूसरे दिन हुए वर्क फॉर खादी 3.0 में मुख्य अतिथि थे डॉक्टर TP शशिकुमार और विशिष्ट अतिथि शैली धगत। इस अवसर पर पर्यावरण और सतत विकास में योगदान देने वालों को सस्टेनेबिलिटी एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया। डॉक्टर नेहा सिंह ने कहा, स्टेप ग्लोबल समिट केवल एक आयोजन नहीं बल्कि एक आंदोलन है जो नवाचार, तकनीक और नीति के माध्यम से सतत भविष्य की दिशा तय करता है। डॉक्टर अर्जुन सुरेश ने घोषणा की कि अगला स्टेप समिट कोलंबो, श्रीलंका में आयोजित होगा।
From Hyderabad, I'm here to attend the STEP Global Summit 2025. This is an amazing initiative by Save Vibrant Foundation, along with lots of other sustainability partners. I am here as a judge for Ideathon and also receiving my Sustainability Excellence Award. I also got the opportunity to do a walk for Khadi, which was a wonderful initiative, and I thoroughly enjoyed these 2 days. So much of learning from different faculty and industries and entrepreneurs. So I wish Save Vibrant a very, very long futuristic initiatives. Thank you so much.
I am the founder of Jev India, and we create toxic-free home cleaners from waste. We do donation drives as well as we conduct workshops on composting, making bioenzymes and single-use plastics. I was invited here as a panelist, and I really loved the Earth Summit. And I've met really, inspiring people who are doing so much great work.
I'm Mrs. International World Ambassador 2019. I'm a crown holder from Malaysia and the brand ambassador for Khadi, Walk for Khadi. And this program is very, very special for me because I've been linked to this since 2018. And in 2018, I joined Arjun and his team and took part in the Khadi Walk. And we have done so many Khadi walks so far, and it's always a pleasure to come here and promote our Indian national fabric. And it's really, really wonderful the way he has organized this program, and I'm really grateful that he has invited me and included me in this. Thank you.
Suchiva Polgampala, Dean of the Faculty of Humanities and Education, Cinec Campus, Malawi, Sri Lanka. I'm really happy to be a part of the advisory committee as well as join as a keynote speaker. We 5 of us joined the conference on sustainable development, and this conference is truly beneficial for us. Thank you very much for the organizing committee for organizing such type of fruitful events. Thank you.
I am in Delhi with the program organized by STEP. I am the Vice Chancellor of Adi Shankara University, Tirupati, and here we had a good group of people from different countries who participated in making the presentations on sustainable growth and what is that we have to think about the future for the sustainability. It's a great event, and we had a Khadi walk making the people dressed up in the Gen Z, the new generation people also dressed up in the khadi, and then we had a program of that and the presentations, who are all supporting the sustainable development in different parts of the country, from Kerala to Uttarakhand. We had selected people who are volunteers. For their best contribution, we have given awards. That was the program in which I am in Delhi. All the best wishes for the program, and the organization stepped under Arjun, who is doing a good job. Thank you so much.
सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे YouTube चैनल समाचार 24 प्लस को और लेटेस्ट अपडेट के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें।